traverse to the left, left out, step right, bring the right point into underhand butterfly on the back, left out, step the left foot back, bring the right hand in. Now on this side, do a take out right, take out left, go up right, go up left, and then angel twice. And then we'll do small, small, and big. And now we're going back to the right hand side. So we're gonna turn right out, step your left foot forward, left point comes into underhand butterfly on the back wall, and then right point out as you turn to the right and step your right foot back, bring your left point into overhand butterfly on the front, and left out, then right out, then left up, then right up, then angel twice, and then we'll go butterfly, butterfly, big, and now we'll go back to the left, left out, step your right foot forward as you turn left, bring your right point into underhand butterfly on the back wall, left point comes out, step the left foot back, turn, and come into overhand butterfly on the front, and right out, right up, left up, angel twice, and butterfly, and big. And then we'll go back to the right, right out, step left, turn right, left point comes into underhand butterfly, right comes out as you turn to the right, step the right foot back, left point comes into overhand butterfly, and last time left out, left up, right up, butterfly, angel, 2 butterflies, and big. And now we'll go back to the center of the room. We're gonna stall the left poi to the left side, turn left, come into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, open it up to underhand giant, step your left foot back, come into the counterclockwise giant swivel, come up to the pinwheel, and go big for 3, and 2, and 1. Now I want you to turn 360 to the right, and then come back into a small pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, step your right foot forward, do a left turn 360, and now do a right turn 360. And then we're gonna open it up, same time, and go into the cap 4, 3, 2, 1, right turn 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1, left turn 360, and go into the overhand weave, and then turn to the right to underhand weave, big extension to the left, and then the right, and then overhand weave, and turn to the right, big extension left, then right, then overhand weave, and then chase the sun counterclockwise, 3, and 2, and 1. Now this next time I want you to lift your leg, come under with the right point, up, over, come into the buzzsaw, and then we're gonna plane shift it down onto the right arm, and then I want you to go into a corkscrew, turn to your front, and spread it out, and come back together, and spread it out, and come back together, spread it out, come back together, and then bring it above your arm, go into your sprinkler, and then release to full length from within the sprinkler. And then last time, now do a 360 to the left, come up over your head and spiral, change direction, go into the clockwise sprinkler, 4, 3, 2, 1, and turn to the right, 360, come up into the spiral, and then as you exit the spiral, come into the counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up to pinwheel, and then we're gonna turn left back into the overhand weave, and then turn right to underhand weave, and then we're gonna open that up to giant again, right foot forward, and then swivel, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, come up into the pinwheel, and then big for 3, and 2, and 1, and then do a 360 to the right, then come back into the pinwheel, then we're gonna turn left to the overhand weave, open it up to chasing the sun, 4, and 3, and 2. Now we're gonna come under the leg this next time, and then up, over, wrap it up, come into the buzzsaw. We're gonna plane shift it down onto the right arm again, come into your corkscrew, and turn to your front, spread it out, back together, snake charm, back together, snake charm. Now turn to the left, 1 time around, come back to the front, and now come into the sprinkler, release to full length, 2 more times, and then we're gonna do a 360 to the left, come up, spiral over your head, and then come into the sprinkler to the clockwise direction, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and come around. Do the spiral over the head, come into the counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up to pinwheel, and then come down into overhand weave on the left, open it up, stall the left poi between your leg. You're in opposite direction. Now we're going to do those stalls we did at the beginning. So stall, and stall, and stall, and stall. And you should be back where you started. Right hand overhand, left hand underhand. And we're going to go into the butterfly turnaround. So turn 360 to the right, go into butterfly, right take out, left hand into underhand butterfly, right take out again. We're back where you were. Now go 180 more, turn to the right, to the front to butterfly, and then one more time. Right poi to the side. Now spread your legs again. We'll stall 4 times, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Left poise overhand, right poise underhand. Come into overhand butterfly on the front. Thread the needle. Plane shift it up. Bring it up over your head. Then we're going to take the right poi, come down, tap on your butt, come into counterclockwise corkscrew. Make it together time. Come underneath your legs. Turn with it, and then up and over. We'll come down and turn with it again, under the leg. And we'll do it a 3rd time. And then one last time, 4th time. Come back to the front.